working on a crank blower snout support for Eric Russell. The one that he had purchased was for a hub instead of a damper. So we basically had to lengthen all the standoffs that go from the block to the front bracket that holds the bearing assembly.
Yeah, but they're both lower than the, way lower than the air gun. So.
You put your finger on that so you know when it starts to move.
So we fabricated all those pieces. We cut them to length, drilled them, tapped them, got all that hooked up. Then we had to make a few more standoffs for the tensioner to put the tensioner in the right place. We got that all fit up. Everything seems to line up perfectly. Then Eric had fuel rails for the blower intake made for the electronic fuel injection. Those fuel rails were too small for the volume for alcohol. So he had gotten some blank fuel rail stock that was much larger. The first thing you got to do is do the center to centers, and you have to know how far to start from the end. So now we're going to do this one is going to be 0. Okay. So we're in there, okay? This one is 0. Okay. So this one is 0, 0. Okay. 4.401. We went off his original fuel rails for the centers, so I wrote those numbers down off my digital readout on the Bridgeport. This gets confusing. Really does. Okay, so I got to start over here at 0. And then I'm going to move this that way 50, because that fuel rail is 100 thicker than this one.
Gotcha.
So to find the center of the hole, I got to move it over 50.
Gotcha.
Okay, so here's 0. I got to move this way 50. Here's 0. Now all my numbers can make sense. So this is further over now. Yes. Here we go. Not bad, right? All right. We're not there yet. We got to do more. Yeah, it's gummy aluminum. Doesn't want to drill. Need it. This part of it is done. That part is done, and they're matched to these, just like this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now we have to match this. I bored them for the injectors, and then I machined them for the hold downs. Just like in the movies. Okay, watch this. And I'm gonna go out. Now I'm gonna go up 150. I'll try this at home. Look at that. Right there. Looks pretty good. Quarter. Okay, that should be slow. Fast. So he's all set up there. He's gonna mount it on there first before he wants me to thread the ends for fittings in case I have to shorten them a little bit.
When Lorenzo's done working on the LS, we're going to start back up on the 396 big block, which is going into a 1959 Chevrolet Bel Air. We have the 396 on the dyno. The first pull is good, but we checked our air-fuel ratio graph, and the motor was running a little fat, so we had to change our primary jets. We did our second pull, and the air-fuel ratio was perfect on the primaries, but when the secondaries kicked in, the motor ran a little lean, so now we have to tweak our secondaries.
Down there. probably, yeah, maybe we will go up some sizes. Let's see what's in here. Somebody has 66s in here with no power valve. Smaller than the front.
It was 68s in the front, but
We're gonna go to like 63s.
it wasn't 63 in the front, right?
It's a 63 long
Then there was bridge down low. So we'll have a big power valve circuit in it.
So if you do the 500, it would be 68 in the back.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
It's what, 70?
I'm gonna go 70 in the back. Sorry, I'm What's going on there? Okay, the dip came out,
But higher
okay,
horsepower.
and then up top, what did it do? What was your fuel doing here? Too lean. It wants
more jet in the back.
It needs more in the front too. The front is pulling too much fuel. It's almost like the secondaries aren't coming in fast enough. Not allowing the secondaries there. It's leaning against it. Now they can't. That floor, it's having trouble opening. Probably won't open. Yeah, all right, let that. Hold that.
Can you put this on?
I can put a couple washers over here. I noticed on the dyno that it was like the secondaries weren't coming in fast enough. The throttle ball had some exposed thread on the other side of it, and when we would floor the throttle, it was rubbing on the secondary linkage, and that's what was slowing things down. So I just had to take the ball out, shorten up the threads, and we made another pull, and it fixed all that up. All right, let's try this again.
It'll be fine.
No, it was no good.
Oh, wait,
There. 420 horse. Whoa, the torque was way. Okay.
460 torque, 420 horse.
Now let me see this. Here we go. Now we're making sense here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's starting off lean now.
Okay.
Okay. And then it's a little bit lean still. So we're gonna put 4 more sides in the primary now. Gonna go up 4 in the primary, and that'll probably fix the secondary too.
Okay. So you see those, you usually don't think they have any power behind.
How much fuel's in there? Maybe quarter. We'll have to make another call.
Pretty good.
426 horse, 453 foot-pounds of torque. And now it's straight up, and now this is working right.
Hey.
And now your air fuel, it goes a little bit lean, and then it goes down. It's like 12.5 to 1 now. It's good. It's fine. It's fine. It's still going higher. I'll turn it a little higher when he's here. Turn it up to 5,800. I'll probably make 430. A little over. We're going to make the same pull from 3,500 to 5,500. Yeah. All right. 457 foot-pound of torque, 424 horsepower. Now we'll bring it up a little bit. Okay. 435 horse.
Okay.
And 453.5 foot-pounds of torque.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Air fuel is good.
All right. So, yeah, all
The
right.
idle's nice. Yeah, the idle's nice. It idles down around 800.
Yeah, cool.
It's going to be good. It's
Yeah,
definitely
nice.
going to be good. Yeah, no oil leaks.
Cool.
We got it up to, right now it's 163 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Cooling temperature. There's no leaks at all. No oil, no water.
Nice.
So we'll get it
Bene
up.
grazie. Bene grazie.
Buona Pasqua.
Buona Pasqua, yeah. Right.
Really happy with how Mario's motor turned out. Made a little over 450 foot-pounds of torque, which is really good torque for a 396, but the oval port heads definitely help with that. Very happy with the numbers with the mild cam that we put in it. It was a 226, 236 at 50 and 510, 536 lift. Very, very mild cam. It'll be a really nice driver.
Oh, look. Empty forklift. Oh, look. Empty cradle. What happened to the 396? Hey, Ray. Billy Ray. There he is, folks. Billy Ray's got a new heart transplant. Me and the boys, we make noise. That's what we do. Love you. See ya.